Hey everyone, Peter here from the Kostecki Real Estate Group. Today we're in the heart of DTK at my newest duplex listing, 26 Courtland Avenue East. Prepare to be wowed by this beautifully renovated historic townhouse, ideally situated just steps away from Victoria Park, DTK, the Kitchener Farmers Market, and the LRT. With its charming character and clever layout as an up and down duplex, you're looking at a golden opportunity. Live in one unit while letting the other pay down your mortgage, or rent out both for investment income. Let's head inside and check out my top 6 reasons why you'll want to make this house your home. Number 6, carpet-free 2-bedroom unit. Welcome inside this bright and airy space. Step through the private entrance and you'll immediately notice the charm of this home, with original 12-inch baseboards and beautiful exposed brick. The spacious living room serves as the heart of the home and is full of bright natural light and ample room to gather together. You have plenty of pot lights and updated light fixtures throughout, as well as convenient in-suite laundry along with a powder room. Number 5, eat-in kitchen and backyard. There's room to cook up a storm here. Discover abundant storage space, stainless steel appliances, and a cozy dining area perfect for enjoying your culinary creations. Step outside onto the fenced private deck and enjoy the sunshine. You also have 2 dedicated parking spots between the units. Number 4, bedrooms and bathroom. Upstairs, you'll find 2 large bedrooms with soaring 10-foot ceilings, as well as a 3-piece main bath with stand-up shower complete with nook. Number 3, upper 1-bedroom unit. Retreat to relaxation through the separate private entrance to your upper 1-bedroom unit. This unit is equipped with a kitchen featuring a convenient breakfast bar and space for both a cozy living area and a functional home office, meaning you have everything you need. This unit also boasts the added convenience of in-suite laundry. Number 2, bedroom and bathroom. The upper unit features a bright bedroom and an updated 3-piece bathroom with stand-up shower. Number 1, central location. Nestled at the iconic crossroads of Courtland Avenue and Queen Street South, this prime location epitomizes the steps to everything lifestyle. Immerse yourself in the vibrant heart of the city, including the LRT, the GO Station, Victoria Park, cafes, and a variety of entertainment options. Every outing will be an experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in this home, check out the website below. And for more great homes, don't forget to follow us on social media. For the Kostecki Real Estate Group, I'm Peter Kostecki. We'll see you at the next home.